Bago kabalin, welcome to Oriental Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Let's Art Cuisine para po sa mga embotido na kanilang pinadala. A little bit of business information. So si Let's Art Cuisine po ay located sa may Santo Tomas, Pampanga. So homegrown Kapampangan ang ating origin ng mga embotido. But as far as I know, ang mga Kapampangan po ay one of the best producers ng mga embotido. Dahil tayo nga hindi natin sila tinitipid. Aside from this, meron pa po silang mga ibang items for sale. And we're gonna talk about them later on. But for now, tikman na natin to. Nagpadala po sila ng dalawang variants nila. So the first one, Cheesy Embotido, and then the other one naman, Cheesy Chicken Embotido. Ito yun, guys. Let's taste it without the rice muna. Oh wow. This is salty, pero sobrang powerful ng lasa. Before ako ma-move on na tikman natin with rice, I wanna try this one. The other one naman, for comparison. So sinimulan ko na yung rice natin. So this is their own recipe ng kanilang white sauce. Alternatively, by default, you can also use ketchup, pero ito yung must recommend try natin. So available po ang mga ganito, party trays, or mga ganitong packaging. Actually, may mga resellers din sila. So if you're interested to do business with them, ayan, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. So there you have it, guys. Naubos na yung ating 1 cup of rice. Diet tayo ngayon, pero sobrang gustong-gusto pang i-try ito. But nonetheless, guys, if you're interested to know more about this, lalong-lalo na ngayon, guys, napaka-fit nito. Perfect for Christmas, no? Either for your own consumption or for your giveaways as gift. Go check them out. Make sure to message po yung fan page we're gonna be including in the description. So, guys, if you're to ask me, Cheesy Embotido or Chicken Cheesy Embotido, I'd go for the classic one, Cheesy Embotido. Pareho po silang masarap, but for me, I'm gonna go for this one if we're gonna compare it with the other one. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Oriental Pampanga. Until our next discovery, I hope to see you in the next. Peace out. Bye. Bye.